Welcome back everyone. As we had already done the capitalization methods, first method, that is capitalization of average profits. Now we are going to start our next method, that is capitalization of super profits. For this you have to calculate the super profits and then you have to calculate the value of the goodwill. So the steps for calculation are: the first is you have to calculate the capital employed, that means the net assets. Then step 2 is you have to calculate the normal profit, and the formula of normal profit is capital employed into normal rate over 100. Step 3 is to calculate the average profits. Then step 4, super profits, that is average profits minus normal profits. Up to this point, you had already done this point in the in calculation of the simple super profits. The same procedure is followed there also, but the only change is to calculate the value of the goodwill. See, in step 5, the goodwill is equal to super profits into 100 over normal rate of return. In simple super profit method, the formula of goodwill was goodwill is equal to super profits multiplied by number of years purchased. But now here the goodwill is super profits into 100 over normal rate of return. So in this method the four steps are similar to that one, as to calculate the super profit, and the only change is the formula of the goodwill. If you get the question and you have to calculate the super profit method with capitalization method and with the simple super profit method with number of years purchase, then these four steps are the normal steps. In both the cases these four steps will be followed, and the only change will become in the step 5. In the simple super profit method you have to multiply the super profits into number of years purchase, but in capitalization method you have to multiply the super profits into 100 over normal rate of return. Now see this question: a business has earned average profit of rupees 1 lakh during the last few years and the normal rate of return is 10%, and you have to find the goodwill by capitalization of super profit method, capitalization method. Okay, now the assets are given. Assets of the business were 10 lakh and the external liabilities are 1 lakh 80,000. So to calculate this question, the solution is, firstly you have to calculate the capital employed, and the formula of capital employed here is assets minus liabilities. Assets are 10 lakh and the liabilities are 1 lakh 80,000. So the capital employed here becomes rupees 8 lakh 20,000. Clear? Next step is to calculate the average profits. Now in this question we already had our average profits, so the average profits are rupees 10 lakh. Third step is to calculate the normal profits, and the formula is capital employed into normal rate over 100. Our capital employed is 8 lakh 20,000 and our normal rate is 10%. So 10 over 100, and our normal profits are 82,000. Okay, and then our fourth step is to calculate the super profits. Super profits is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Average profits are 10 lakh and normal profits 82,000, so the super profits are rupees 18,000. And last step is goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profits into 100 over normal rate. So super profits are 18,000 into 100 and our normal rate is 10%. So 100 over 10, the value of goodwill is 1 lakh 80,000 rupees. Clear? These 4 steps are the common 4 steps to calculate the super profits, and the only change is to calculate the goodwill. Here the goodwill is super profits into 100 over normal rate. And if you have to calculate the question with the simple super profit method, let us example, there is an example that there is the same question, and you get the another point that you have to calculate the super profit method if goodwill is valued at 3 years purchase. Clear? Now the question is similar. Here is the question, and it is the first point, and that which I had wrote this time is the second point. Clear? Now in this point you have the value of the super profits here, that is 18,000. Now for this purpose, what you need to calculate the goodwill according to the simple super profit method, you need the years of purchase, and now you had this. So the value of goodwill will be, goodwill is equal to super profits into number of years purchase. So super profits were 18,000 and your number of years are 3. 18,000 into 3, and according to this your goodwill is 54,000. क्लियर? अगर आपको क्वेश्चन आ रहा है कि सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड से कैलकुलेट करो और सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड के अकॉर्डिंगली आपको कहा है कि कैपिटलाइजेशन मेथड के साथ भी करो और गुडविल को नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स के बेसिस के हिसाब से भी करो, दोनों मेथड से करना है, तो आपने पहले क्या करना है कि ये तो चारों के चारों ये सिंपल ही रहेंगे, एक बार ही कैलकुलेट करनी है आपने सुपर प्रॉफिट, क्योंकि उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं है दोनों मेथड्स में, सिर्फ चेंज कहाँ पर है, गुडविल कैलकुलेट करने पर। कैपिटलाइजेशन के मेथड में सुपर प्रॉफिट इंटू 100 ओवर नॉर्मल रेट हो जाता है, और उसके हिसाब से अगर दूसरा मेथड लगाया था जो हमने पहले किया था तो उसके हिसाब से क्या था, सुपर प्रॉफिट इंटू नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स परचेज, और उसकी वैल्यू आ गई गुडविल की अलग से। ठीक है जी, तो ये था आपका कैपिटलाइजेशन मेथड सुपर प्रॉफिट्स के अकॉर्डिंगली। क्लियर?